And then, you know, one of these other changes, right? I definitely want to show when it comes to doing all of our own upholstery inside.
Right. This looks awesome, by
our
the way.
Luxe
Just walking
Cruiser.
up. Yeah,
Okay.
look at this.
Look at our now two-tone Azure
very nice.
seats.
Oh, we going in here.
This is one of my little babies.
This is so cool.
I am so happy the way this turned out.
Yeah, I like it.
So, few different changes. Let me describe what we got going on here. So we have our new Azure seat design, modeled after the Bentley Azure design.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Then we have a two-tone insert. So we have black on the outside. We have our ginseng that we've always been using. We've done numerous videos in ginseng. But we have that on the outside, and then we did black piping and stitch matching the insert. And then what we did was we did a black ceiling and walls, right? And then did ginseng for the lowers.
Okay.
Okay. Now the wood inside here might look a little different to you as well. This is that ebony Denali,
but in
high gloss.
Okay.
This is a brand new wood to us.
Yeah.
This wood is significantly darker than black Denali.
Okay.
Okay. So it's really giving a real pretty rich
This
look.
looks like a Maybach.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is a gorgeous coach.
Yeah.
So just the idea of me describing this to a dealer 2 months ago when I put it in production, they were like, it's sold. I'm like, well, can you wait? I have to show it to other people first.
Yeah. So what other? Let's go around back here.
Yeah. No. But while she's in there, I do want to describe something to you.
Okay.
So this is actually a different floor plan for us too.
It is.
So
because you got benches.
We have longer benches. So we've always had the benches, but these are longer on this one.
Okay. And they still have seat belts. So how many people?
Still have seat belts. So this coach is still 10.
Okay.
All right. This is just a different floor plan. This is something people have asked for before. This also works very well if you had a Freedom package lithium to this coach.
Okay.
Okay.
Right.
So what that does is make it into a RV style electrical. I mean, it's designed for stationary use.
Yeah.
In its current form, this is an A to B trip vehicle.
Yeah, for a big family, corporate, maybe teams. Yeah. I saw the Duke van. That looks great.
Yeah. We're so excited about Sunshine State, you know, starting their athletic series program down in Florida. So excited about that because this is what they're going to be selling mostly, right? This is something they're getting into in that side of the business, and it is a wonderful place to be. Okay. What's so interesting, I know you brought up universities, Duke, and all kinds of stuff, but most people buying this are actually, it's a replacement for their family's Escalade, Yukon XL, right?
Yeah, everyone could all hang out together. Yeah.
It's more of a family man, and this is his toy. Because you got to think the price when this is actually selling is probably right around $200,000, right? Range Rovers now are over 150. Cadillac Escalades are 150. So we're getting into a ballpark where
I've seen 180 easy.
Oh yeah. I mean, it's just crazy pricing anymore.
Yeah. This is great.
One more item, like since we're here, I know I'm throwing so much information. I get excited.
Right.
When that's good. You know, it's like the one inside, right? I probably didn't let you talk at all. I apologize. Right?
That's good.
If you see that video, I apologize. I was excited. I'm excited about this one.
That's what we look for.
This color interior can be put on a Patriot, right? This is not just exclusive. I just wanted to, I don't know, go a little crazy, right? I just knew what we could do capacity-wise, and I think it's one of the best looking.
So you could get this in a Sprinter, get it in a Transit if you wanted.
Any of them.
Okay, cool. Okay, very nice. Let's go look at the back real quick, just to show that off.
Oh, and then one thing, I know you guys don't get many blacks down in Sunshine State territory, right? Being in Florida. So I want to show something that's kind of unique for us this year in 26. The painted cladding. Okay, so we have typically left the cladding on the side on our black vans, just the standard plastic black.
Yeah.
For the first time, we've actually gone to high gloss black on the sides here. So anybody that's bought our Ultimate Toys over the years, any of our other models, you'll know that you have a black coach. That line is a plastic black. As you can see now, it is a very clean high gloss black.
It's a clean look, The
reason why we didn't do it before.
It looks more limo-like now.
Yeah. The reason why we didn't do it before wasn't because we were trying to be cheap. It was because the current process we were doing on painting the cladding, it showed every rivet going down the side.
Okay.
So we have found a way to make a high gloss black. Our painter did, Michael Bradley, phenomenal painter. It found a way to, and I gave him my request.
I didn't think about it until you said it.
And like I said, it's one of those things where if you're a Midwest owner, you're a Midwest enthusiast, you're like, wow, that looks great.
Yeah, that paint looks great. Yeah.
So he figured out a way to get rid of those rivets going down the side. You get that painted. Of course, you know, we painted the black now this year as well. The hood vents are painted. So this is a true painted black coach.
Yeah, it looks great.
And if you notice, it has the Onyx package.
So
everything. So the coach inside, right? We talked about the Onyx package there. The Onyx package removes all chrome from the outside. Okay, so the front grille is going to be painted black,
even
high gloss
here,
black.
The hinges.
Hinges are black. So all Mercedes emblems in the front are black. So just a really cool look, matching what the car industry is doing.
Yeah, love it.
And then let's show you some benefits of the Onyx package for the inside, such as the black toilet.
Okay.
Right? Really clean, really sharp look here. So just a real pretty coach. Just so glad how this turned out.
Yeah, this looks great. Yeah. So you could have the option here of having like storage back here instead, right?
Absolutely. That is one of those things that's going to be offered on the Athletic Series by Sunshine State.
Okay.
And then going down the side here, another big rat and macerators, everything, right?
Oh, so this has all that on it.
This has a macerator on board. So I just showed you how that worked on the Ford. And then right here, we have an exterior shower now. We never had an exterior shower in the Luxe.
Okay.
This is the exact same setup from the Patriot.
Ah.
So I am going to be able to do wash downs if I go to the beach or anything, right? So I don't have to track into the inside.
Okay.
Or maybe I'm at a tailgate, right? And I'm trying to clean out my cooler or something like that,
you spilled something. Yeah.
So that's all going to be done right here now. So that's a big benefit for this year.
Okay.
I know a lot of people, they may have hidden stuff, but it is still gravity.
Okay.
Right? So this is a full electric system. Just makes sense for the name, right?
So on these models, what is it called again? Cruise? No, Luxe.
Yeah, so this is a Luxe Cruiser. So let's go through some of the things. So Luxe Cruiser, Day Cruiser, Patriot Cruiser are essentially the same model. Okay, right? Patriot Cruiser sold at our friend Sunshine State. Luxe Cruiser is another one of those names as well. Reason why is just different dealer aspects, right? Different categories. So that is why there is a different name. Okay, but they are essentially the same vehicle.
And then on these, can I get that gear? Can I get like a box if I want?
Yeah, it's actually becoming
pretty
all that
trendy.
Stuff? Yeah, so all that stuff we showed on our MD3 on the inside, right? Right. The Overland package from Midwest, the all-wheel drive, all those, the Freedom package, that can all be put on our Luxe.
You can get it on the Luxe.
Absolutely, and it's become very popular. They still want that look, right? That rugged, tough look. I get it. It looks awesome. Yeah. But yeah, that can be put on this vehicle.
Cool.